Hi YouTube, sorry for the noise, the wind noise. It is currently, I think my watch is dead or something, I don't know. I don't know why it's not on. Maybe I need a new watch. It is Monday, March 20th, 2023. It's 11:06 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm here in good old Versailles, Ohio. Here at lovely Classic Carriers, great company to work for. Anyways, we have got Ava the Avalon back in business. Just spent a $17 car wash, and before that, work here has a nice heated pressure washer, so I use that to rinse her off really good, because on the drive from Michigan to Indiana, she got covered in mud from driving on the dirt roads being trailered with a car dolly. So I just wanted to do a little walk around of her. So what she's looking like since I've had her for over a year, since I bought her on February 26th, 2022, and I didn't even get to put 3,500 miles on it since I owned it because the motor was bad. So that's more or less probably the reason why she was traded in, was because typical 1MZ, not oil sludge issues, but she was burning oil, had bad pistons or bad valve stems. We didn't tear into the old motor. I still have it, or my shop that did the motor replacement, they have it, but they didn't tear into it. I'm half tempted to just let them scrap it, or I'm also half tempted to take it back myself. I know nothing about motors, but we are sitting at 272, 532. We got red on the right, but it's not red on the left because the bulb burned out or something. So I gotta take this cluster apart and put another red bulb in because I wanted to do a red theme. But anyways, the exposure so you can see maybe 272, 532 on the body, 143 miles out of a quarter of a tank. And then since I bought this car, I've put on 3,471 miles since I've bought it. It's 11:08, like I said, 34 degrees out. And for you, okay, yep, there it is. Okay. Oh, I don't know what I gotta do to press it. Oh, I'm changing the time. That's not good. I was going to check what it was for Celsius. I'm just messing it up. It's 1 degree Celsius. I don't know my measurements. We've got here the Toto radio. I don't remember which model it is. We got some loves and some hates about it. With some Bluetooth radios, they're a pain in the neck, all because they force your phone to do phone calls through the radio. But here instead, I like to do my phone calls through my headset. So, if I disable the calls on my phone, then I lose my media capabilities as well, because with Android you can choose what Bluetooth device either has calling or media capabilities. So if I leave media on, or if I do calls only or calls off but media's on, then it won't play media. So I think if I remember correctly, I'm forced to have calls in media on in order for me to be able to play my my media. Check out my wallpaper there. Pretty cool, right? But yeah, so it is what it is. Oh, please don't give me YouTube. But I love my analog. Still dealing with the problem with the passenger vent having lukewarm, but all the other three vents having nice hot heat. I think I've got a bad heater core, and just on one corner where the vent is that connects, it's just that one area that the passenger vent touches to the heater core. It's just a cold spot. But we still are rocking my ROAV A2 dash cam, even though I don't have a moonroof, which is what I wanted. Even though we don't have a moonroof, I still have my map lights, which is nice. Camry never offered that unless you had a moonroof. And we'll pop the hood real quick and let you check out the engine. We'll give her a rev, let you hear that 50,000 mile motor sound nice and happy. Very stout and healthy motor. when we had this new motor put in, we went all out. New motor mounts, new transmission mounts, new timing kit, new valve cover gasket seal, new oil pump. I spent $4,200, and I'll have to make a video and post it on YouTube as well. But you can actually see all that they did. I even had them do tie rods, inner and outers. Like this car, I could drive to California if I wanted to. I have this much trust. I've driven this car for probably 500 miles so far. Just under 500 since I got it from the shop, and she's doing great. It did have the paint on it. I took the pressure washer on it, and I wanted to grab the paint off. I think it looks better silver instead of gray or brown. I still need to get that, but she's pretty clean. This area was greasy from the power steering, so I sprayed all the grease off. You can still see there's a little bit of residue right there in the center, but otherwise, she's pretty clean otherwise. So, working battery, and even though we had the timing kit done, I don't see no timing belt sticker anywhere, so that's kind of worrisome. So I gotta make sure they actually did the timing kit, which includes water pump, thermostat, all that good stuff. There's my knock sensor relocation that's not being used. The mechanic's like, hey, we can't do that because then it really can't tell if there's, you know, knocking. So knock sensors that are in are doing good. She gets up and goes, and if I drive it regular and not like a retard, I don't even have to worry about taking it past 3,000 RPMs, and I get away from everybody pretty decent. So, long enough video. More to come. I need to grab some Oxito LED lights. Oh, great, I got moisture in my headlights. That's cool. That's what you get for high pressure washers. Well, they're both of them typical cheap headlights. They were like 50 or 80 bucks each though, but need to align my light bar and grab some LEDs for the front, and then I'll have some really great visibility at night. But that's going to conclude the video. Thank you guys for watching.